Guys, we're on the interior of the 2019 Super Nautique G23. We've got a gray interior main color, and then a little bit of steel blue to match the exterior. Gray seat deck back here on the platform. You see those white Chromax vents. Also have the transom cooler on the back to go along with the in-floor cooler, which we'll see shortly. But got frost gray accents on here and texture, and then the steel blue piping. A little bit of custom Nautique badging there, and your SeaDeck step pad on the back center seat coming into the boat. Flip open our lockers here, and we get a ton of storage on either side. All 2,850 pounds of ballast are subfloor on the G23, leaving you tons of room for gear. You see we got a couple life jackets in here. We also have rope hangers / life jacket hangers on either side of the engine. If we pop open the hatch, you'll see we have the H6 direct inject engine from PCM. This is a 6.2 liter GM block with 450 horsepower. Pair that with a 2-to-1 transmission and a 17-inch prop. Better look on into the interior here. We'll pop open our storage. Take a look at those inlays down the sides. We do have a bigger JL speaker as an upgrade on all 6 interior speakers in the boat. Communicating storage into the back lockers as well from underneath the seats. And on our starboard side, you'll see the Pro Mariner battery maintenance system. I'll demonstrate how the center seat slides here. So you can have the rear-facing wake view seating. That way everyone in the boat can watch your surfers and wakeboarders back there. And you simply pop that and slide it back into place on the track. Port side storage, very similar to our starboard side, communicates to the back. Fully sea-decked out, so if any moisture does get in there, it's not going to stay for very long. It's going to dry out pretty quick. We do have a port side lean back, so that flips up. A little bit of transformable seating. And again, a look at these inlays with the galaxy patterns on the back side there. Also have the enhanced courtesy lighting with the cup holder lights all throughout the interior. Newest features for 19 are mainly going to be the tower. I'll show you that in a second. But we do have the vertical clamping board racks on here. So look at this new tower. It is a power folding tower. We have 4 of the JL 8.8 tower speakers on here with the covers. A slightly new grille and face to the new JL speakers this year. They do have the down-firing lighting. Up top, got the GoPro mounted tow point and the Nautique awareness camera up top, as well as the rope basket. And I'll go ahead and show you the new tower. So you do have to unlock it on either side with the cam latches. And then it is free to go up and down. So right here, you got your power button you have to hold, and then you can hit up or down from there. And then you'll see that thing just collapses backwards. Once it's down, you can take the bimini down as well. It's on a gas shock system. All you have to do is unlock it and drop it down into the interior of the boat to make that thing nice and flat. I will not demonstrate that as I'll probably need both hands to do that. You can see photos on our listing of the tower fully collapsed in this boat. Super sturdy tower, just as robust as the older tower, without having to manually bring that thing down if you ever have to fold your tower. So really nice add-on for 2019 in the power tower. Flip up our love seat here, which is also heated, and check out our storage area. We have a 12-inch subwoofer in here, as well as your amps and trash can. This boat is set up with dual 12-inch subwoofers. One is under the dash pod. So tons of bass in the G23. You pair that with the Wavefront audio speakers as well. This thing has an awesome sound system. You're definitely going to be able to hear the music if you're back there wakeboarding or surfing from the tower speakers. Glove box, plenty of storage in there. We have the heated seat button in there next to our JL head unit. Also have a slew of different charging ports and music inputs in there, such as auxiliary, USB. The boat's set up with Bluetooth as well. We'll move on over to the dash. Nice hand-stitched cubby here for storage, along with the phone holder on the left side. We've got the ultra premium steering wheel on here with that fine material wrapped on the steering wheel. And then our 12.4-inch Link Panerai screen, just fully touch enabled. You can run it off the dial as well. We've got music, maps, all your climate features controlled through this. Also rider presets. And then I'll kind of click through with the rotary dial over here. We've got some hotkeys to control rider presets, music, speed control, all that at your fingertips for quick access. Here's our driver's seat. Nice high seat back. Also a bolster. This one's set up with our heater outlets. And again, heated seats as well. We've got 2 pop-out heater outlets along with the defroster up on top of the dash. Our back hatch flips open. You'll see a couple batteries in there. You've got access to your drain plug and the strainer bowl, so on and so forth. And then our full-size igloo cooler just in front of that. Panoramic mirror for all the views while you're driving. And then our new windshield, which you'll get a better look at here in a second. It has a friction hinge on the walkthrough, friction hinge side vents as well. So those kind of stay wherever you leave them. Up front, bow filler cushion, tons of storage in the bow of the G23. If we flip that open, you're gonna see we have 6 fenders for the Fender Pro option in the one side, and then the full boat cover and the poles on the other. So tons of space up here. And then we'll get a better look at this new windshield. So it's a frameless design, so the glass goes pretty much all the way to the edge, giving this thing a really sharp look. And overall, just kind of updating the look of all of our G-Series boats. We've got the 35% window tint on there as well. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Pretty much covers all the features on this G23. Give us a ring at 317-845-9253. Thanks for watching.